make some sticky pone. I have here some cassava that I have already grated, and I am going to add some ingredients to it now. I have also some pumpkin and sweet potato that I have blended, and I'm going to add that to my mixture now. I'm going to be adding 1 nutmeg. I'm grating this nutmeg in. Making sure that it's spicy, well seasoned. Some people like their pone just cassava. What I am making today is some sticky pone. I'm adding some almond essence, just about 2 teaspoons, some mixed essence, just about 2 tablespoons, some cinnamon, just about a tablespoon of cinnamon, and about a tablespoon of melted butter. And we're mixing this together. I'm going to add now some sugar. I'm using brown sugar, and I'm going to add 2 cups of brown sugar. So bear in mind, in here I have grated 5 pounds of cassava with about a pound of sweet potato and pumpkin puree. And we are going to mix this together. It's going to be a little stiff because the cassava was grated, dried. So we're mixing this together until everything is well incorporated. I'm going to also add about a tablespoon of grated ginger. That's for the ginger lovers. It really gives the pone a very nice flavor. So I have already added in all my ingredients. I have my sticky pone mixture ready. If you're watching and you like my content, you can subscribe to my channel for more recipes, for more do-it-yourself projects, for more baking ideas, just for snacks that you can have with your family at home. So I am going to take my pone mixture now, and I have here prepared 2 9x13 pans, and I'm just going to pour my mixture into it. I'm going to pour my mixture half into one, and the other half into this one. So I have my 2 dish prepared here, and it's ready to go into the oven. My sticky pone mixture, and I will show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven.